uba bilidom uba dei uba song thait nakatan IPR jong sarkar jala bat kumju ru u editor barim jong kot khobor dongmusa ula takranting e yonong aiktien ka Bharatiya Janata Party uba GF Julai da ka bakan tho ba ula persang ban kiar ha ka bai dei bat ka jingmai kirit pat bat kumju ru e ki Khristan na ka jingdon ka BJP ya ka ni ba bili loyo banbu ka jingkylli hakaran san ni tainia ki sengsan berthai ka wala penlong da ka political science department undergraduate synod college ka balong ha ka khandai tarik mentau banai rampang
bo chwa bangan chong thai ngala julong press secretary ki chief minister but kani provided me with a ring side view of all these chief ministers. And by July, you have been trying to sidetrack the danger which the BJP poses to the minorities. It's not fringe. This is a real threat. This is on social media. When will you kill Muslim and Christians? Another one, to delist Christian tribals from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe list. They haven't uttered one single clarification. Please do this. You know when I went to bring those farmers from Shillong Mail, Nyim Kwa, Yiki scheme Jong Pi, I kendo yang in namar kabai wai kendo kanang kill manlo snap. That's one. Hold on. Hold your horses.
Really, I appreciate what you have raised. Regarding the VHP, where it had a meeting somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, and the speaker said that we should... Okay. And the speaker made an announcement that we should be shooting Christians. I mean, did you hear that one? He announced that we should shoot Christians. We should, if they come near your house, take out your gun and shoot them. You must have heard that one. Oh, I don't know which one you heard. Okay, but you've heard one. Okay, and I don't know if social media is right or wrong, but that was there. I get it. Okay. And by the way, John Barla has filed an FIR. So the police of the area are definitely going to investigate into this matter. Did he say it? Because if he did say it, well, then he will be up for some case. So that's the first one. The second one you asked was, what was that exactly? You asked about that, or you asked about whether they will... Yeah, they'll take us out from the scheduled tribe. Now you see, since you were there in government in those days, I joined government only somewhere in the early 70s. There was a case in the mid-60s, if you'll remember, where a case was filed, I think, as a special leave petition in the Supreme Court that the Christians among the Khasis are getting more benefit than those who are not Christians. Okay, that was the case was all about that. And the point was, at this point of time now, under the 2011 census, I think, we have only 7% of the original Khasis who still worship the old form, who have not converted to Christianity. 7% are both the Songsarik and the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Khasi. You can check me on Google and you'll find that I'm right. So, for this very small quantity of Khasis who are maintaining their originality, they wanted some form of protection. They wanted a form of protection. Do you deny them that? For the 2 lakh, at the most 3 lakh, Khasis and Garus who are maintaining their original religion, should we deny them any protection?
I'll give you an answer to that. In black and white over here.
Okay.
I'll give you. Kindly, you go to our library and get the issue of the Helka of 221. It's in the month of July, I think, 4th July. And you know what it says? That some of these Hindu activists go to our villages, recruit Bangalore, brainwashed them. They brainwashed them to such an extent, they've even forgotten their mother tongue. You know, search for Tehelka.
Babili, can we take this as your suggestion and
Now,
let
no, what I'm
the
trying to
Bharatiya
convince-
Janata
but
Party
is to
state
convince-
unit
is to
write
convince
a,
my friend that what I'm saying, I'm not saying it out of thin air.
because we'll have to call off this session. So we
I've
just
got-
have just two questioner will be asking
So my
questions to
question
them.
is just to
So
all
if
our
the
friends.
state BJP unit writes to the central
Thank
leaders,
you, Kyrwoh.
Hagi jilla ki ba ka senshar ka BJP ka don ka jing penshitom ka jing le benye ki reungai tentang ki Khristan ki weiru ki red pai ki reungai red pai but kane kala sedang wan segini ki time lammi ngi ki jongi bani I ki jing mai but ka don ka jing skos ear ka ba kumta te ngi khmelin ti ba ngi kermen ba kanum kham nang rendang lên là kanum kham do nốt cái này cả chừng nhai trong cái này ki rukom chừng nhai cũng này có bao nhiêu ý cái long ba ki break ki budan hakabor iba matani ông John Parlau la file FIR ngem pat tip ya kata re ki break ki song hakishuki jo ka bor ki budan ka Atiar ki ngap jar kim pendem kim ong komno ro ya kini ki break ki bole ben ki bole he kumta I kumwa ki pun slur pun ban da jing ngap jar jong ki ti kane kade ka ke ko bang shukwa ban pun sngo wat nga khmilin ti ban kini ki ken hon jong ki sain hima ki budan hang ne ki dan hi kane hakapang jong ki jing trai kam jong ki jing perkhat ki jong ki
Pastor Edwin ngina kaliang ka TMC kadai ke declared statement jungi ba nginstan pyrshah ajur ya kano ke divisive kano ke discriminatory action jong ke BJP dak buburom ya masulai ngilong totally against kano ke movement kaba kepti kapa BJP ka kuaban penduk no ya ka Unity University but dalilai ke TMC kan nom ya alain bat ke BJP ban form any kind of government kata statement but kan nom alain ru bat ke NPP hak kabadai hak state level
Magaliang
this is declared statement nakaliang ka
Pastor
sujubab tang artelo kabaningkong nagaliang jungi ka kamru ngi krensai babantehi ka jela kadai bangin ya buram kaliang iwe bangin penne pensa ya ka secularism ya ka plurality bat bangin nyokor ya ki nong song baro ho ngi ya per ngaru ngadeu tribal ngadeu khasi nga e jela ka jong ka jabin riu tamba kata ka jing e jabin riu pada kamut bangin bom ngin sho ngin pin mensau klem dau klem nong rim ya ki wei pat
Te iba dai bekren yang ba iong ba some big problem of BJP making problems in churches. I have got the message, not maintenance, but there's not a single case in the last 9 years in BJP ruled states. That's the information I've got. WhatsApp and social media might have something, but I can tell you that if something happened in Chhattisgarh, that is not a BJP ruled state.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27 February, let's empower Meghalaya.